Hello to everyone, this is Anupama. In this video, I am going to solve a problem in straight lines. So, what is the question? Find the value of k if the straight lines y minus 3kx plus 4 equal to 0 and 2k minus 1 into x minus 8k minus 1 into y minus 6 equal to 0 are perpendicular. If given two straight lines are perpendicular, then what is the condition, ma? Slopes of the two lines is equals to -1. So first we have to take the slopes for each straight line given. Okay, so for the first one we have y minus 3kx plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, so y equal to 3kx minus 4. So what is the m1 slope here? The coefficient of x is the slope, that is 3k. m1 equal to 3k. Next, coming to the second line. Again y equal to mx plus c form we have to bring. So y equal to mx plus c. This is m2. m2 is 2k minus 1 by 8k minus 1 we got. Now do the process, that is m1 into m2 equal to -1, right? So 3k into 2k minus 1 by 8k plus 1 is equals to -1. Now this you multiply. What you will get? 6k square minus 3k by 8k minus 1 equal to -1. That implies 6k square minus 3k. This denominator comes here, it multiplies. So we get 6k square minus 3k equal to minus 8k plus 1. After rearranging, we get a quadratic equation, that is 6k square plus 5k minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, now we can solve this by splitting the middle term. Okay, how to split the middle term? Now I first multiply the constant and the k square coefficient, that is -6, right? So by the factors we must get the 5k. The middle term we must break the middle term into two terms which are the factors of -6. Here how I divided 6k square plus 5k is nothing but plus 6k minus k. Plus 6k minus k is plus 5k. Got? So plus 6k minus 1 equal to 0. In this both we took 6k common. So here k remains, here 1 remains. So k plus 1. In this both we have -1 common. So -1 and k plus 1 remains. So in these two again common k plus 1. And remains 6k minus 1 equal to 0. Now if the product is 0, any one of these two must be 0. Okay, so k plus 1 equal to 0, that is k equal to -1, or 6k minus 1 equal to 0, 6k equal to plus 1, k equal to 1 by 6. Got the values of k, right? Okay.